Hi, I will be dealing with a subject today which will place tremendous power in your hands to deal with a lawless situation if it unfolds before you. Usually, the time tested adage is do not take law in your own hands. A private citizen who is not a police officer is forbidden from taking law into his own hands. There is probably one golden exception. Worldwide, it is called citizen's arrest. In Hong Kong, it is called 101 power. It exists in Ireland, in England, in United States, and verily in India. Section 43 of the Code of Criminal Procedure is a powerful tool that allows you to arrest somebody that is breaking the law in your presence. The reason I'm dealing with this subject today is this video will scroll down here. A young doctor is beaten up by a mob of 20 people because he, for some reason, suggested that the patient cannot be treated in his hospital in Dhule and had to be taken somewhere else. The family did not like it and they beat him so badly that he has lost vision in one of the eye. That video will scroll down now. Now, what do you do when you're confronted with a situation where your very life is threatened? In an earlier video, I had spoken at length about the right to private defense. The relevant section 97 of the Code of Criminal Procedure Code shall scroll down now. Do watch that video because that video together with this video puts power in your hands. Today, I tell you that you have the power to go ahead and arrest 1 or 2 or 10 people who are engaging in violence in your presence. All you need to do is go ahead and tell him you are arresting him under section 43 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. You can restrain him and immediately hand him over to a police officer. This is a good solution, a powerful solution which can be used by hospitals that are constantly faced with this threat of facing public ire on their doctors. Anybody from that hospital, the security in charge or the resident doctor himself or a senior in charge of the hospital can cause the troublemaker to be arrested. Read out this provision, call the nearest police station, call 100 and hand over this person to the police officer. Remember, you do not have the right to manhandle this person. You do not have the right to lock him up somewhere unless he's really unruly and threatening somebody's life. In that case, I think your right extends to that provision as well. Also remember, you have this right only as long as the threat exists. You cannot play police officer after the threat has vanished and then you go searching somebody and cause an arrest. That cannot happen. Something is happening in front of you, then and there you can arrest. You cannot go back and arrest. So study this provision carefully, section 43 that will scroll down now. On Wikipedia, study citizen's arrest, what this power is all about. It will put this particular section in perspective. Thank you for watching me. Subscribe.